Together, we're going to see what sculpture is underneath there that gets to come out today. Oh, yes. Pipe Dreams. Nice to see you. While you're here, I'm going to show you what I do to get this off the board, because you can see it's stuck on the board. But if I tap the board, this board has been oiled, so concrete does not like oil, and so it won't stay permanent. So I just had to tap it. And this is one because he's so big that once again I used a little piece of styrofoam in there to reduce the weight a little bit. Not very much, not very thick, but that amount really does matter when you consider that would be solid concrete. So now these rough edges, I'm going to clean these up with my, this is actually a riffler. User in stone carving is really deep grooves. So doing this right away, the concrete is still soft enough to let me do this. If you let it cure completely, it gets really hard and much more powdery and more difficult to grind. Really highlights all his wrinkles and texture. I love the texture of concrete, so I emphasize it. His eyes need a bit of cleaning from the dust. They're glass, and clean eyes really sparkle. And if I wanted to change the pipe at all, I can do that. So there's Pipe Dreams. Welcome.